There's a reason you wake up feeling spiritually drained or anxious. The battle for your day isn't lost at noon. It's lost the moment you open your eyes. But tonight, we take back your mornings. We are using 5 Psalms as literal armor for your mind. The same truths David used to face giants. If you want to walk in authority tomorrow, these 5 chapters are your battle strategy. We begin with Psalm 5. Verse 3 says, "My voice you shall hear in the morning, O Lord. In the morning I will direct it to you, and I will look up." To direct means to set in order. Before the world throws chaos at you, you are organizing your thoughts under God's authority. David gave God the first word so the enemy couldn't get the last word. Next is Psalm 23 verse 1. "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." This is about identity. When you start your day here, you're reminding your soul who is leading you. Verse 5 declares, "You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies." Your fear and your stress are forced to watch while God honors you. You aren't just surviving, you're being set up for victory. Now, to truly stand on these truths, you need a way to stay focused. I've created a free morning armor tracker, a tool you really shouldn't start your day without. It's a 1-page watch-along guide with a QR code at the top. Scan it every single morning to play this video and pray these exact Psalms with me. It's how we ensure the word sticks. Download it at the link in the description right now, so you can start praying with authority straight away. While you're there, subscribe to Bible with Light to join our community of morning overcomers. With your tracker ready, move to Psalm 91. Verses 1 and 2 say, "He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress." You must say it. Verse 11 promises, "For He shall give His angels charge over you, to keep you in all your ways." By reading this, you are activating a heavenly escort for your entire day. Fear is loudest in the morning, but Psalm 27 verse 1 shuts it down. "The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid?" This isn't a suggestion, it's a shield. Verse 14 tells us to wait on the Lord. Be of good courage. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's standing on this psalm before fear can get a word in. Finally, Psalm 118 verse 24. "This is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it." Notice it says, "We will." It's a sovereign decision. Verse 6 adds, "The Lord is on my side. I will not fear. What can man do to me?" You aren't hoping for a good day. You are commanding it to align with God's purpose. When you read these 5 Psalms with your tracker every morning, your mind stops running toward worst-case scenarios. You stop reacting and start responding with authority. David wrote these because he knew his strength had to come from God. Accessed every single morning. Your victory is waiting, and so is God. I'll see you in the next prayer.